Want to send your Ninja forms leads straight to WhatsApp? With FormyChat, you can do just that. To begin, navigate to the plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New and type FormyChat into the search bar. When the plugin appears in the results, hit Install, and once installed, select Activate to enable it on your site. Once activated, open the FormyChat and click Edit on any existing floating widget where you can create new. Go to the Customize section, scroll down to Customize Forms, and click Ninja Forms. Pick the specific form you'd like to connect with the floating chat widget. After selecting your form, move to the Triggers and Targeting tab and click Save to apply your configuration. Your selected form will now be available inside the floating chat interface. You can also connect your existing Ninja form that's already displaying on your website with FormyChat. To do this, go to Ninja Forms in your WordPress dashboard and click Edit on the form you want to connect. Then, go to the Emails and Actions tab and click Add New Action. Select FormyChat. After that, enter your phone number and the WhatsApp message you want users to see when they submit the form. Now, anytime a user submits a lead through that form, their details are automatically pushed to WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.